culture, we love smoking cigars, okay? This family, the Bello family, we're in the Bello house, 5 generations, and they have won awards for what they do, which is make some of the best cigars in the world, alright? Ariocha right here is doing what he does every day, 100 cigars a day, hand rolled, made from the finest tobacco in the world, Cubans, okay? And there are over 1 million Cubans in Miami, man. I'm gonna let y'all look around, take pictures, videos. If y'all wanna grab a gift for somebody, uncle, your father, neighbor, grandfather, friend, husband, and you wanna grab a cigar, this is it. If you wanna grab a cigar for tonight, they got single cigars here, smooth, mild, medium, sweet. They have boxes, okay? They have Cuban rum cigars. They got medicinal cigars, okay? If you guys are too stressed out, relax. No, you're serious, too stressed out, man. I'm gonna let y'all look around. They got Cuban rum cigars. I'm gonna let you look around. If you guys want to grab a cigar, this is the place, okay? Chicos, los traje acá para que vean un pedacito de la cultura cubana. Si quieren dar una vueltita, comprar algo, esta familia 5 generaciones, si quieren, este es el lugar. Tienen cajitas de puro, tienen individuales, tienen cigarros de ron, tienen